an exercise to develop power and control through your serratus anterior. The serratus anterior is one of your key scapular muscles that helps to upwardly rotate the scapula during shoulder elevation and reach. It also opposes muscles like the latissimus and the rhomboid, which as a climber you're using very often to pull yourself up holds. So the serratus helps to balance that, and it also helps to maintain the space for the rotator cuff during overhead reaching and loaded activities in an overhead position. So a great way to isolate that is to start in a plank position. And we're going to make some adjustments to your body position to help you further isolate this muscle through this movement. The first thing you'll want to do is turn your hands so that your wrists are facing in towards each other. From there, from the plank position, we're going to have you pressing back into a downward dog position, pressing into the hinge of your hips, driving through your shoulders. When you lower down, control through the scapula and through the shoulder blade, and less through your hip muscles. You want to think when you're pressing, you want to think about pulling the elbows in and getting the scapula to come around your body in that end position. So starting from the plank, pressing in as you drive into the hinge of the hips from the inside, wrapping around your rib cage with the shoulder blades at the end position. Then slowly controlling, easing into the plank, eccentrically releasing the serratus, and then concentrically pressing, holding, and squeezing without overextending into the shoulder, which can be harmful to the rotator cuff and other structures of the shoulder joint. And then slowly lowering and controlling eccentrically through the scapula without allowing over rotation into downward rotation, which is not a good position for the rotator cuff. This is a power exercise, so you'll want to start with 10 repetitions, allowing for 30 seconds to a minute of rest between sets, and 2 sets will be fine.